At this point, you guys have taken notes on the first slide of our color wheel notes, and we're ready to start setting up our color wheel and learning how to label a color wheel. So the first thing that we need to do is draw 3 circles that form a triangle. Okay, so we're doing this on the free draw paper. And we're going to connect those circles with the solid line. And this will represent our primary colors. Our primary colors are yellow, blue, and red. Primary colors cannot be produced by mixing any colors together. So no colors mixed together will make yellow, will make blue, or will make red. Okay, the next set of colors we're going to mix would be our secondary. So when I mix 2 primaries together, the yellow and blue, I get secondary colors. So yellow and blue make green. Blue and red make violet. And yellow and red make orange. Okay, so now I'm going to connect these with the dash line. That's going to represent our secondary colors. When we mix a primary and a secondary together, we get an intermediate. So with our intermediates, we're not going to write out yellow-green. We can just put YG. And you always label an intermediate with a primary color first. So when I come over here between blue and green, I know that blue is my primary. So I know that the intermediate is going to be called blue-green. Okay, which means we have blue-violet down here, red-violet over here, red-orange, and yellow-orange. Okay, now we're going to create a key for our color wheel. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to write primary. And we represented the primary colors with circles and solid lines. So I just put in my symbols. Okay, our secondary colors. Secondary colors were represented with rectangles and a dashed line. And lastly, we have intermediates. And they're just represented by 2 letters. So I'm just going to put X and Z. We are going to use this to label our color wheel. So when we label it on our actual painting that we're going to do, we use this to tell us what order they're going to go in. I do have 3 or 4 color wheels around the room that you can look at, but it's kind of difficult to see the labels when you're farther away. So this is your reference on how to label your final painting color wheel.